Good morning, this is me ALIRAZAMARKETIng, and today I'm going to discuss about the best Google ad you could probably make and ads that work. So you must be wondering on what's an ideal ad. Let me show you an image on what can be an ideal ad. Sorry, I have to move myself from here to here. So you can see a good ad is a highly relevant ad with a highly relevant keyword with a highly relevant landing page, and that makes a good campaign. But a highly relevant ad with a highly relevant keyword is the perfect ad. The question is, what's an ideal ad? You can see this is an ideal ad. Very optimized and targeted display URL, relevant to search queries, having seller ratings or different Google Ads extensions on your account, probably side links, and a targeted and relevant headline. That makes a perfect ad. So let's discuss some of the ads, and we can discuss on what can be a good ad. Now you can see a person search on help get rid of acne. Who searches this query? Someone who has acne. So in case if someone has acne, he's going to search on help get rid of acne. But when he's searching of get rid of acne, that means he's exhausted. He's just exhausted of acne, and he's looking for a quick solution to that acne. Now understand the intent behind this user. Someone who's searching of how to control acne is different than a person who searches on how to get rid of acne. It means he's annoyed, he's exhausted, he just wants to quit the acne. Okay, now we have seen 3 ads. Tips to get rid of acne, fight acne fast, dealing with acne. Now, why I opted for the first ad as the best ad is because that ads answer the question. Help get rid of acne, dealing with acne, we have a solution. Now adding the word clinically proven acne medication can help it. Now the word clinically proven, adding more power to it, which results in what results? It results in getting the more trust of the visitor, which is why it's a perfect ad. Now my second priority would be the third ad, fight acne fast, but the first ad is good. Why? Because it has the trust words like clinically proven acne medication, and now it's a directly communication with the user. Like help get rid of acne, dealing with acne, we have a solution. Come here. Okay, now another query. Sell your car. And the ad is we buy your car. That is a direct communication. I personally like ads which have a direct communication, direct dialogue with the visitor. That looks very perfect, very good, very engaging with the visitor, which results in better sales. So sell your car, we buy your car. We buy cars. The guy has a phone extension as well as side link extensions on the website, in the ad, and also a rating extension by Better Business Bureau. So this is an ad, perfect ad. The second ad has a review extension, which is also good. But now why I opted for this ad? Because it's a direct communication. Sell your car, we buy your car. So that is a perfect because direct communication, which is why that is a good one. Now the question is, find which one is better. Let me think for a second, or let's discuss what can be the better ad from you. What's your opinion on this? Which ad is better out of the first or the second? Okay, the time's up. The best ad is the second ad. Why the best ad? Because all of the things are same, but second ad has numbers. People like numbers. People like money. Money is good. Dollars, $45,329. Numbers are something, our mind is conceiving it on immediately. So which is why I like numbers. Why I will prefer the second ad is because it has numbers in it. Now the question is, which one is better out of this? First or second? Obviously the second ad. Why? Because the second ad has phone number as well as the side link extensions. For those who don't know what is Google Ad, what are Google Ad extensions, I have a video on Google Ads extension, and you can search on my channel on what is Google Ads extension. Okay, now think for a second on which ad can be is better, first ad or second ad. So let me answer it. Just because I have put a red line on the second ad doesn't necessarily mean that this ad is good. Because just imagine the intent of the user. When a person is searching Ford Focus brakes, it means that The guy owns a car, the guy or a girl, apologies for, I'm not doing any discrimination, just using it for an example. The guy has a car which is Ford Focus and he has issues with the brakes. So what's the point of running an ad on Drive 2014 Mazda on this ad? That guy clearly do not want a Mazda to drive. He's having a problem with his car and he wants to get the solution for his brakes. Why you are even advertising for this keyword? This keyword will not even give you good results. So there is no point of advertising. So the second ad is the worst. Why? Because there is no point of running your ad on that untargeted or irrelevant keyword. But rather the first ad is better. Now what is a good advertisement? A good advertisement is something like this, which is playing with your mind. Look at your left and still you are looking on the right. So this is the power of advertising. With the power of advertising, you can control your user. So you can't be a good user unless you know how to create a good advertiser, unless you know how to create good ads. In some countries, emotions has a very good impact on the users. So for some countries, emotions works very well. So it varies and differentiates from country to country on where you are targeting and how it can impact and how the results can be even further improved. So for those who don't know, here is a quick revision for some extensions. For those who don't know, it's a location extension. You can see the location address attached with the Google Maps. This is a location extension. This is a review extension. You can see third line, so impressed, bought home a pound of cup. This is a review extension. There's also a rating extension. Okay, you can see in the structure snippet extension, the third 4.6, this is a rating extension, and his side link extensions are small side links of different pages of your website which are shown along with that. This is a side link extension. This is a call out extension, and there is also a call extension where you have an option of call. You have to the number is shown and you just have to press on the number and the call will be automatically done through your mobile. So this was a review on my opinion on best Google ads or ads that work with the Google. I hope you like my video. In case if you have any questions, comment, suggestions, you are more than welcome to ask in the comment section. And if you have any topic where you want me to create videos, you are more than welcome to ask on me. So thank you for watching and bye bye.